Hello everyone and welcome back. What we have today is a 2012 Mercedes Benz C250. Let's go check it out. The vehicle was brought in limb mode, which means the vehicle was locked into a single forward gear to prevent any further damage to the transmission. Most people believe that they need to replace the entire transmission, which leads to costly repairs. When in reality, what gets damaged more often than not is the TCM. TCM stands for Transmission Control Modules, or commonly known as conductor plate. The issue surfaces because of damaged speed sensors. Therefore, we'll be replacing the conductor plate. One thing to keep in mind is that not everyone is licensed or authorized to perform this kind of job, but fortunately for you, Prestige Auto Tech is.